Alright, so here is a Daewoo, early 2000s Daewoo window unit in my sister's apartment. I just found a closet and it had this unit in here, and was really happy to find that. These are some of my favorite units from the 2000s. It's just like my relatives' units, but with the manual controls. Let's see, what model is this one? Oh yeah, 2004, just like theirs. DWC-052C. Yeah, Pirelli motor, and I'm gonna guess it has a retro precision in there. Oh yeah, it does. It has R22 refrigerant. That's good. So yeah, let's start with low fan. That's a lot louder than my relatives' units. Then we'll switch it off. Alright, so here's the start of the compressor. Yes, it's got that classic retro precision sounds. I can see why people find these to be angry sounding. This one definitely does seem that way. It's blowing cold air. It's a good unit for sure. Yep, already getting cold. And then off. Despite the filter being just a bit on the dirty side, it's in really good shape. 10.2 EER. So yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out.